Alright, really? It's that time of the year where I'm going to have to put on a wash. That's right, yeah. Let's see if I can make it down to the communal laundry room and hope there are some spare dryers and washers. Because last time I went down, it seems like no one else has any other plans on bank holidays apart from to wash. Come on people, what's wrong with you? Go outside and do stuff. Wash. Check your pockets. No one wants to wash a bicycle line. I was super paranoid I didn't have my key then. Thankfully I don't want to stick that in the washer either. Bike lights and keys, make a list, take a pen, write these down. Do not put in the washing machine. There could be someone on the other side of the store. Washing done, now I just get to kick back and relax for 28 minutes. Washing done, drying also now done. I figured there's only so many times you can watch a time lapse of someone loading clothes in and out of a machine. What I did want to draw to your attention, however, is just how amazing it is when you get that bit of lint on the screen and it just peels off in one section. Is it just me, or is that one of the most satisfying things in life? I don't know. Tell me about it in the comments down below. Anyway, now I have the fun and enviable task of matching socks to each other. So I figure what I might do is just try and create a mix of socks, which usually goes down well in the workplace, I find. People often like to comment on the fact that you got dressed in the dark, which is kind of them, so thank you to everyone who said that to me in the past. So if you'll excuse me, that's pretty much how I'm going to spend the next couple of hours. So if you take anything away from this video, it's that washing doesn't have to be hard. If you do it once a year, you're probably less likely to hate it. So, I don't know, something to think about.